Looks good. Hello guys, chips, small one. It's a Clansys Kettle chips, Mesquite BBQ taste. Let's try. Strong smell chips, maybe a little barbecue, a little sauce smell. Looks like this. Looks good. I feel smoky taste, but then smoky become a little sour, maybe from sauce or something. A lot of oil. It's barbecue, maybe, but the little sour end is not for me. I prefer more barbecue meat taste, like bacon taste, like something like this. It's good, it's crispy, it has a lot of oil, and it's tasty. Yeah, that one is good. This one is good. Maybe a little more smoky taste and it will be perfect. But now it's good.